NHIDCL PMU Diphur organized Swachhata Pakhwada program. Number 26 Dwarbaguri Mahila Congress Committee held its first executive meeting at Daithor. Greater Manja Bazar Committee and Manja Auto Rickshaw Association performed cleanliness drive at Manja Town.
Hello and welcome to Daily Cast News. I'm Medan Kramsapi and now the stories in detail.
National Highways and Infrastructure Development Corporation Limited PMU Diphur initiated to organize Swachhata Pakhwada, a part of Swachh Abhiyan at Diphur railway station and in schools at Diphur. NHIDCL PMU Diphur also organized awareness on Say No to Plastic use in schools at Diphur, which has started from 1st of January 2022 and will continue till 15th of January 2022 as per sources. As on 8th of January 2022, it is the day 8 of such program NHIDCL PMU Diphur has organized. Report to our Daily Cast News. Cleanliness is next to godliness. To aware more about cleanliness and for healthy environment, Greater Manja Bazar Committee and Manja Auto Rickshaw Association jointly performed cleanliness drive at Manja Town on 8th of January 2022. The program was attended by President of Manja Bazar Committee Mohan Timong, Secretary Jitu Hojaisa, President of Manja Auto Rickshaw Association Bobby Jidong, Vice President Binanda Timong and Secretary Sonjit Tiso. As per report, the drive which performed in and around Manja Municipal Board area ended successfully, said the organizers.
Manja Auto Rickshaw Association Kipangki Rasai report ben batesi itum claim laben Manja Municipal Board area mate Bazar Committee area ke kado kabe arab selago arab pada area labunla je nanglitum laban Municipal Board area longat ke Kipangki versi basi mate erde basi selago arab pada area ko laben tu itu malong kecerap dulu Auto Rickshaw Association alang kumsinabe laso kablong kecerap dulu thega pot alang litum Auto Rickshaw Association atau konseme Delhi Bazar Committee ben kurang kupajit sulo nah tu di mana apa ke claim bom sirame non la so la Ingraji anika kimi kiteng hor dikela last time lo kiteng si hor dilo kini
ande nang itu me claim achiklo yo namang ya don claim mane kuson aning kan ben batai sisi
ruini ben isam claim ben
Bazar Committee aro Manja Auto Association ami jointly Safai Obhijan Manja Municipal Board area hoy Manja ami jointly Safai Obhijan korisu ei gotike ami ene first time aji আমি সাফাই অভিযান করা আমি আকু নেক্সট টাইমও আমি এনেকা জয়েন্টলি কৰিম সাফাই অভিযান আমাৰ ইমানত মোৰ ভাগন সমাপ্ত কৰিছোঁ থ্যাংক ইউ
একচুয়ালি ইয়াতে মাজতে তিনিআলি হয় তো ডিফু
ৰোডটো বাজাৰ কমিটি অফিচৰ পৰা ষ্টাৰ্ট কৰিছে ষ্টেট বেংক নিয়াৰ আৰু এতিয়া আমি ডিফু ৰোড আমি এইটো ব্লক এৰিয়াত যাম আৰু এফালে নগাঁও ৰোড আমি এফালে ডেইলি মাৰ্কেটলৈকে আমি চাফাই কৰি যাম
ইয়াতে আপোনালোকৰ কিবা সহায় কিবা কিবি স্পন্সৰ কিবা আছে নেকি বেলেগৰ পৰা
আমাৰ ইয়াতে স্পন্সৰটো নাই আমি বাজাৰ কমিটিহে বাজাৰ কমিটিৰ তৰফৰ পৰাহে আমি যিকোনো মানে হেৰি কৰি হেৰি কৰি আমি চাফাই অভিযান কৰিছোঁ।
Report from our Manja correspondent Johnson Rongpi and Delhi correspondent Amrit Timon. Under number 26 Dwarbaguri MEC constituency, Dwarbaguri Mahila Congress Committee held its first executive meeting at Daithor DMCC office on 8th of January 2022. The meeting started at around 10 a.m. It was presided over by President of Dwarbaguri Mahila Congress Committee, Maluti Bepi. The meeting was attended by President of KADMCC, Mrs. Kanam Ingtipi, as its chief guest. It was also attended by President of West Karbi Anglong Block Congress Committee, Elis Ingtipi, KADMCC, Vice President Kayat Durapi, GS of KADMCC, Susana Milikpi, and GS of Karbi Anglong District Youth Congress Committee, Harmon Singh Ingti. The attended dignitaries at the meeting said that the Congress party will win in the forthcoming MEC poll, which will be held in the month of April this year. They also said that they are pleased to see 100 plus attendees, though only invited for President and Secretary from each polling station.
Executive meeting, epa dopon first executive meeting epe dopon nilitum dag Dwarbaguri along Mahila Mondol Mahila tum lapoan PMCC lapen arong tin pen kadok kawisi tamewang khailo ladak first executive meeting nang chetong ong dung armung chetong iglo la sinon ke wangji MSC election kiligalong ke nilitum ladak Dwarbaguri ahomosti pen ke bangjo ka phanle Congress ticket pi pusi tame ke hai ji aphan bangke dolo ke hai veko
Kata bidi redana tu lona cetong dongke Kongres parti phan ke kroi lo kunali tunali ninge cethil sondo ma
kalang lo Congress parti phan ke kroi si pini lada lapaan armu ke cetong iglo
la executive meeting long pini ko an bak armu cetong ilo ba so kata pini ke
executive meeting along first executive meeting si nilitum mangku set lo je lapaan armu cetong di po bangke si tame bang haru sira okem atam sido nilitum ke cetong ladak ni sara long amen kinlang ateng pen ke bang haru sira okem ra atam do igla
Kata puling silong penali tu bang an si pa ilo
Puling si silong pen ki pa bangke la ke president han isia polling station no pen ke pa ke bang hini si ke pa ikjo bang hini ke pa usi tame lapoan pin nang ka chetong lo je Halloween pen si tame kadok ka vetau bang ikeno athema nili tu Congress atu non epong ke intang rang sido la pen ke Mahila tu aning dipung pamelo ke damtang la BJP non sarkar sudi bom ruling bom atu si tame council ke do tum pusi tame mate state along pusi tame kadok ka ve phal si tame Mahila tum tham aduk ala kipi ka chene ka holo pendang lo lasinon na bangke Mahila Congress tum bangke aning dipung lo lasin ili tum Mahila Congress tum aslogan na bangke ha angsong medam ili tum Priyanka Gandhi nili tum Priyanka Gandhi medam Priyanka Gandhi pusi tame slogan si लड़की है लड़ सकती हूँ पुलोनी तुमके सोआलो तुम इंतंग रे इंतंग ती लापेन चेदान उन पुलोनी तुम स्लोगान ना है
ni te last ithe alam na ari lang pili labang so luar bangori lo nali tu executive meeting pa dolo armu ta cetong pilo tada non MEC kiling hotela luar bangori consistency MLA MEC highway ki punali tunali ning the lo son do ma tang
epic nili तुमके 100% Dwarbaguri pen ke hai ikvek popusi nili ning epic lo ke the chona kali 100% lo
lo
Report from our Dwarbaguri correspondent Robinson Killing. Dr. Numal Momin inspected the ongoing construction of ITI at Kuligaon. On 8th of January 2022, around 2:30 p.m., Deputy Speaker of Assam Legislative Assembly, Dr. Numal Momin, inspected the ongoing construction of ITI at Kuligaon under Borjan constituency. Deputy Speaker was accompanied by Babu Ingti, President of Kuligaon ITI Management Committee, Stamson Ingti, Rup Synchro, and many others. The Kuligaon ITI, which is on the verge on completion, will be inaugurated soon, said Dr. Momin. Report from Hanjang Langso correspondent Bisnu Lekte.
That's all for today. Keep watching Daily Cast News.